Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this is episode 2 of StitchUp, and today we are making this amazing reversible envelope pillowcase. Guys, it's reversible, emphasis on reversible. So I enjoyed making this one. Actually, it's so amazing. This is a leathery kind of fabric. You guys have seen it in episode 1 where I made the straps. I used it for the cuffs. This is the other side, and it is functional. You can actually use it, guys. You don't need to think it's going to have any stitches that you're going to see on the inside. No, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this. So today's episode is all about the reversible envelope pillowcase. Guys, look at it. It's so amazing. Now you guys know green is my favorite color. This design is amazing. Like putting this in your living room, it's going to be super cute. Let's get into making this already. I don't want to talk too much. Oh, before I go on, my outfit, guys, it's the scarf set again. I'm going to be using my scarf set, guys, to show you guys the versatility, the amazing things you can do with it. You know, you can make bags, dresses, tops. You can style it with different things, your white shirt. I have a video up here of how to style it as the white shirt. I'm also going to link one of the bags as well, so you guys can see it. It's just super amazing. My headband as well. If you go to my Instagram page, you guys are going to see amazing designs that we have to offer. You know, you can make custom made pieces, bulk purchases for your girlfriends, for your bridal party. You can make it, and guys, you can make it in matching sets, so you guys will just look fabulous and super cool. Let's just get into the intro and do what? Stitch up! Woo! So here's what we'll be needing for this tutorial. 2 different fabrics for the reversible parts, so the inside and outside, our quilting ruler, scissors, fabric chalk, and our measuring tape. So guys, we're using a 14 by 14 inches pillow, so we're going to be cutting out the back, which will be 15 inches by 15 inches. So right here, I'm just using my quilting ruler because it's really easy to use it to cut whatever you need. It's a very useful tool. It helped me when I was doing the camera straps. I mentioned it in that video. So guys, this is what makes it easy for me. Now for the back, we're going to be cutting out 10 inches by 15 inches. So why we're cutting out 10 inches by 15 inches is because we need it to overlap in front. So that's why it's called envelope, where you need it to overlap in front. So once you're done with that, you're going to cut out the other piece. The same thing, basically. Everything is the same measurement. So cut it out and we're ready to start pinning. It's tragic, we're not all elastic, but so now that all our pieces are ready, we can now go into our pinning process. So you're going to take one each of both front pieces, and we're just going to put them right sides facing each other. You have to check it really well, especially if you're using a fabric that has the same front and back. So you're going to put it right side facing each other and just pin it at the top. So you're going to do it for the second one as well, the same thing, right side facing each other. Then you're going to sew it down. So now I've gone ahead to actually sew it. So you're going to lay flat one of the back pieces. In this case, I've put the black one. Then you're going to put the front piece that actually corresponds to that part. So this is actually after turning the front part to the right side. The black is actually the one I laid first, so I put the corresponding black side of the front piece on it. So now we have the African print part on top. So you take the back piece of the African print fabric and put it right sides facing everything, because you know we're going to sew it round, so you have to put the right side facing, so you have all your stitches on the wrong side. So this is what it's going to look like. Then we're going to pin it all around. So once you pin, you're going to leave a space where you're going to turn it out from, because you don't want to, you know, sew it all around and you have a piece where you don't know what you're going to use it for or how you're going to use it the right way. So you have to leave a space. If possible, you can use your fabric chalk to actually note where you want to turn it from, so that when you sew it, you can easily turn it from there. So guys, I have sewn it right now and this is what it looks like. I'm going to snip the edges right now because I don't want it to be poking, and we're going to be basically ready to turn our fabric inside out.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes
so once you've trimmed your fabric, you're going to go to where you were supposed to turn your fabric from and just basically turn it from there. So you pick one of the sides. If it's from the black side you want to turn it, you turn it from there. If it's from the African print side, you turn it from there. So I'm using the African print, and you guys are basically going to see what it looks like on the right side. It's going to be so beautiful. I am very sure of it. So if it's not coming out, you have to use something like a scissors to poke it out at the corners. I love the tribal design this has. Wow, it's so nice. And then you fold the open part inside because we're going to top stitch it now. So we're going to fold it inside so that everything is going to be a clean finish. So we're basically going to put everything in and sew it. Now this is what it looks like after it's sewn. It's so beautiful. This is what it looks like on the inside. Wow, like I love this feel that this particular fabric has. So I'm just going to put the pillow inside so you guys can see what it looks like. Yes, this is so beautiful. Like guys, this is a great DIY to do. Imagine this being in your living room. Like this is everything. So I'm going to turn it again to show you guys what it looks like with the African print as well. I think I even prefer this African print part because it's just so beautiful. The colors, everything. Look at it. That envelope just works so well. The overlap is just the right amount of overlap. I just so much love it. So if you have a Velcro, you can put it. If you don't, all well and good. It's still going to be amazing. Wow, this is an amazing DIY project. So we're back guys. This is what a Velcro is. You know those things you see on some sneakers, some shoes, some bags? You know, it just opens up, and I used just a fraction of it, about 3 inches or 2.5 inches, but you can make yours longer. It's your choice. This DIY project is all about creating something that works for you, and I would love you guys to recreate it and send it to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. Tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations, and I would love to share it with my followers. Guys, I enjoyed making this. Basically, who needs lining when you can make your outfits, your pieces, you know, your projects reversible? Like this part now, if you use it this week, you can turn it to the other side and use it next week, and they'll think you bought a new furniture piece in your house. Please don't forget to subscribe. I always say it guys, a lot of you are watching my videos. YouTube analytics, YouTube always tells me everything. You guys are watching my videos but you're not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section on what you guys would want me to do, what other projects you guys would love to learn, and I would love to help you guys out with it. If you have questions, comment in the comment section as well. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.